In this video, I'm going to show you how to use our Quick Crop Pro tool in Adobe Photoshop. If you're an Etsy or print-on-demand seller who offers digital prints, you know how repetitive and honestly frustrating it can be to manually crop every artwork into 5 different print sizes. But don't worry, I'll show you how to save time and automate this process with just a few clicks. Open Adobe Photoshop. Go to File, Scripts, Browse, and select the JSX script. Choose the images you want to resize, JPG or PNG formats. You can select one image or multiple, but keep in mind your computer's performance. Processing many images at once may slow things down. Lastly, choose the destination folder where you want the resized images to be saved. Click Select Folder, sit back, and relax. Once the process is complete, you'll see a confirmation alert letting you know it's done. Let's take a look at the final images. They look great. No padding, no distortion. The tool maintains the original proportions of your artwork across all 5 standard print sizes. Before you start using the tool, here are 3 important tips to get the best results. 1. Use a 2:3 vertical or 3:2 horizontal aspect ratio when creating your original artwork. Why? Because cropping to 4:5, 5:4, 11:14, and ISO ratios requires enough margins around the subject. A 2:3 format gives the flexibility needed to crop properly in all formats. Here's an example using this beautiful abstract piece, cropped into all 5 standard sizes. 2. Check the subject placement. Some artworks don't have centered subjects. Since the script crops equal parts from top and bottom, it may trim off important areas. For example, in this print, converting from 2:3 to 4:5 cropped too much from the bottom of the vase. In such cases, you may need to manually crop the image. But if the script handles the majority of the images automatically and you only need to adjust a few manually, you're still saving a lot of time. 3. File sizes and quality. The script exports high-quality images at 300 dpi in standard print dimensions. The final file size depends on the original artwork's size. As of this recording, Etsy has a 20 megabyte limit per file and allows up to 5 files per product listing. So make sure each file is under 20 megabytes if you're uploading directly to Etsy. If you're working with a large file, like an 80 megabyte upscaled image, the final cropped versions might exceed Etsy's 20 megabyte limit. To fix this, simply open the image in Photoshop, go to Image, Image Size, and reduce the width or height while keeping the aspect ratio locked. Save and check if the file size is now under the limit. Other marketplaces may allow larger sizes, or you can use a cloud storage service like Google Drive or pCloud to deliver your files. If you're interested in using Quick Crop Pro, check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching and have fun creating.